Welcome back to another episode of Small Time Outdoors. Got the partner with me today. We are up in the Northwoods. We are going to try to catch a steelhead or two. It's kind of late in the season. It's almost June, but they're still running. We have cold winter, so hopefully our efforts are fruitful today. I'm feeling good about it. How you feeling?
I'm feeling.
You're feeling?
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. All we can do is have high hopes. We're the only people at this spot, which is always a good sign, usually. So stick around. We will see what we can make of this day. What do you got? Is that a brook? Oh. Looks like a brookie. Dude, I think it's a fucking... Here, bring him in.
That's a nice brook though.
That might be a coaster. Dude, I think that's a coaster.
You picture worthy or not?
Oh yeah. Is that a sucker?
Yeah.
That's a big...
Really red.
That's a big... Oh, I got it in that... Big sucker. Holy... I'm like, what the hell? That's probably what I was feeling.
Yeah.
Makes sense, yeah. Hooked it right.
Trophy sucker, baby.
We spoke this into existence, dude. Oh.
Want a picture with it?
No. See if I can get anything come out of it. Oh yeah. All kinds of eggs.
Over your ass.
And people on YouTube. 17, 18 inch. All right, well, this'll do. I'll let you take the bobber if you want, or would you rather drift?
I can start with the bobber for first.
All right, I'll drift.
Oh shit.
I'll set it up here. Sure. Got him.
That's sick. I'll go equal factor.
It's just wobbling in there for me. All right, I got the net off.
Okay.
Yeah. I might be able to just wrangle it. Well,
I'm coming.
yeah, I got her. Get in the net though. Sweet. Fuck yeah, buddy.
Dude.
That was sweet. Dip her in the water right up here.
Okay.
And then... Is she squirting eggs?
I don't know.
No, it looks like blood. It looks spawned out. All right.
You got it?
Yeah, she was not ready to be done fighting. All right, I'm gonna get her back right away. About 25, 26 incher.
Oh yeah.
There she goes.
That was dope.
That was sweet. Give me some one more time.
Dude.
Let's go. All right. Such a nice drift. Wow. Yeah, they're porpoising, dude. I looked like a looper. There we go. I'm snagged up. There we go. There we go. All right. It's a nice one. Oh yeah. Big buck, big buck, big buck.
Jumped up.
There we go. There we go. Nice one, dude. Beauty.
Oh my God.
Beauty. All right, put that down. I'll get them unhooked for you. It's got someone else's line in them. Someone else broke off on it.
Eating about 55 million miles a minute right now.
We have a good chance to save this fish here, dude. Look at this. We got to get him back really quick.
You want me to get my phone out?
I'll hand him over to you.
Hold on. Here. Hold on.
Hold the tail up. Up a little more. There we go. All right. Get him back quick. Let me get the video released. Oh, she's gone.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Save him.
Give me some. Oh,
Good shit, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that was insane. Good. I just got scraped by the hook. That was awesome because we saved that fish. He had a hook in his gill and we saved him. Someone broke off on him.
Dude.
Sweet. All right. Let's get you back in there so you can get another one.
Hell yeah. I understand 1000% now what the hype is about.
We got a ton of fish in this hole, surfacing, porpoising. I mean, they are just making a lot of action in this hole. Evan went downstream. We're kind of taking turns with the float rod, but it's like electric in here. There are probably a solid dozen steelhead in this hole. So we've only got one of them out of here, out of this hole. But it seems like they're porpoising, so they might be trying to loosen up their eggs or something for spawning. So could very easily be they are not looking to feed whatsoever. Like they are done. That is off their radar, you know, whatever. Very possible. I'm not sure. So we're gonna plug away because some fish will be active. I can't imagine there are no fish coming in right now. There's got to be some. So we'll just keep drifting through, keep pressing on, try to work our magic here.
Yep.
Get him.
Nice, dude.
He fucking came up and whacked it. That's scary. Oh no, he's not done. Nope, he's not done.
You want me to help?
I think I got it. Yeah, I saw a good half dozen. That was weird. I did not expect that. And it came off.
Really?
Yeah. That's okay. I got a good look at him, about a 23-inch male. Yeah, that was a good day. Caught 4, hooked maybe 5, caught 4. That's not too bad at all.
No, sure.
Good way to end this very late steelhead season. I can't believe we're literally the only ones out here.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.